Hello, you're looking at my Fitbit Charge 4, and today I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of the clock on the main screen on this Fitbit Charge 4. So I'll put that to one side and then I'll go into the Fitbit app, tap on that, and then up here in the top left hand corner tap on that little symbol up there which looks like a phone and a Fitbit. So tap on that. Down here to the Charge 4, tap on that, and up here to Gallery, up here in the blue one, tap on that and wait for it to load and come up here, and it's on Charge 4, it comes in, so tap on Clocks up there, and these are all the different clocks that you can change your Fitbit to. So at the moment it's on this one here in the top left hand corner, but the one I like is this one here because it makes it easier to see the hour and the minute hand when you're outside. So I'll click on install. There we go, and run through that for a little bit. And if we start looking at the Fitbit now, you can see that the Fitbit's thinking about it, and there's the tick for success. And click on it again, and there we go. The clock on the main screen of the Fitbit has changed to the new one straight away. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.